Hi there, Elizabeth. I'm here with Teresa.
Yes.
Teresa is the owner of Hurricane Coffee, which you've been to when you've been here in Swim when we've had coffee together. And so she is my favorite proprietress for coffee, as you know, in the city. And when I thought, who would I like to share this with? Aunt Sandy is in Port Angeles or doing research, and I wanted to come here and do this as soon as I can because I wanted the best quality and taste as possible. So Teresa here is subbing for that, and so thank you so much for sending this cookie to us. And so we salute you, and then, as I understand, dipping is the big thing. And so we are going to dip this in honor of you. Okay, so we're ready.
We're ready. We're ready.
That's a nice, light, it's not too sweet. It's very colonial.
Nice bird. Want a bite?
I hope you got one for yourself. So, once again, Elizabeth and Austin family, thank you so much for thinking about George in his time of need. To you.